Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve question number 7 of exercise 6.5. So what is question number 7? Prove that the sum of the square of the sides of rhombus. So what is rhombus, do you know? Rhombus is just like a diamond. So this is like a diamond. So this is a rhombus. And what and all are the rhombus property? That all sides are equals in rhombus. Okay, and that opposite sides are parallel also. Let's say if we have A, B, C, D as a rhombus, so AB equal to BC equal to CD equals to AD, means all sides are equals and opposite sides are parallel, means AB equals to AB is parallel to CD equals as well, and AD is parallel to BC. And one more thing, their diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Means if this is O, so AO equals to OC because the diagonal bisect each other, and DO equals to OD. This logic or this property we will use in this example. So we can say that given that what AO equals to OC, right? Because the diagonals bisect each other, and also DO equals to OB, right? And diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, means this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. All four angles are 90 degree. So we can write angle AOD equals to angle DOC equals to angle COB equals to angle BOA equals to 90 degree. Correct? These all are rhombus property. Now, what we have to prove? Prove that. What is the question? Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of rhombus, means sum of the squares of the sides. So what are the sides? AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides. So sum of the square of the side means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square, okay, is equal to the sum of the squares of its sum of the squares of its diagonals. Means what are the diagonals? AC and DB. So sum of the squares of its diagonals means DB square plus AC square. Correct? So these are the sum of the square of diagonals. Means we have to prove this equation. Okay? So now, since according to Pythagoras theorem, this is right angle triangle, correct? Because this angle is 90 degree, right? So in this right angle, what is the hypo? AD is the hypo, correct? Because this is 90 degree and opposite of this angle is AD, right? So I will take in triangle AOD, right? Hypo square equals to sum of squares of other two sides. So hypo is AD, and what are the other two sides? DO and AO, right? So AO square plus DO square, correct? So in this right angle triangle we use Pythagoras theorem. Same way we will use in other three triangles also. Okay, so now in triangle AOB, okay, but why I am using this in the first this theorem then this theorem? Because what we have to calculate? AB square. So AB is here, BC square, BC is here, CD and DA square, means this sides square we have to calculate. If we will use this Pythagoras theorem, so according to hypo squares or Pythagoras theorem square, we can find out sides square, right? That is why, see, AD square, we are able to calculate AD square. So AD square I will put it here, correct? So that is why I am using this triangle AOB. So AOB, what is the hypo? AB square, right? So AB square equal to OA square plus OB square, right? Now in triangle, next, what is next? BOC. What is BOC? BC is the hypo, so BC square equals to BO square plus OC square, right? Now in triangle DOC, the last one, okay, the fourth one. What is the hypo? DC square equals to OD square plus OC square, correct? Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the sum of squares of sides. Means AB square is here, BC plus BC square plus CD square, CD is here, and plus DA square. Means this square plus this square plus this square plus this square. If we will do, then we can get the LHS of this equation, right? So now make it as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we will add all these 3 equations, okay? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, okay? Or we can also write as adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay? So what will be the LHS? LHS equal to AD square plus AB square plus BC square plus DC square, correct? And what will be the RHS? AO square plus DO square plus again OA square plus OB square plus BO square plus OC square plus OD square plus OC square, right? Now AO square and here also AO square, so 2AA square, right? Plus OB square plus OB square, 2OB square or BO square plus OC square plus OC square, 2CO square or OC square plus DO square and again DO square, so 2 DO square, right? Now 2 AO square plus 2 BO square, this same thing I just wrote it down, okay? Now instead of CO, can we write AO? Because AO equals to OC, right? So instead of CO square, we will write AO square. So twice of AO square plus instead of DO, can we write OB square? Yes, because it's given as per rhombus property. So twice of, instead of DO, I will write OB square, correct? We can write it here as given, okay? Now 2A square plus 2A square means 4AO square and 2BO square plus 2BO square means 4BO square, correct? Now instead of 4, can we write 2 square? Because 2 square is 4. So 2AO whole square, can we write down? Yes, because for 4 we can use 2 square, okay? For same thing here also 2BO square whole square, okay? Now what is twice of AO? From here, see, twice of AO is AC, right? Because the diagonal bisect each other, right? We can also prove that. Let's see here. What is AC? AC equals to, can we write AO plus OC? Because this a straight line AC and O is the point which is intersecting AC line, okay? So AO plus OC equals to AC, correct? Now What is AO? AO equals to OC, correct, as given. So OC, instead of AO I wrote OC. So OC plus OC. What is OC plus OC? Twice of OC. So, or OC is also OA. So we can also write as twice of OA, correct, because OC is AO. So instead of AC we can write, or instead of twice of OA we can write AC, right? So twice of A is AO is AC square plus twice of BO. Twice of BO is, this BO is BD square, correct? So these are the diagonals AC and BD, right? So we can say that AD square, this one, plus AB square plus BC square plus DC square equals to AC square plus BD square, correct? So the same thing we have to prove, right? So the question 7 has been done now. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.